Hey everybody, today we're in a Subaru Ascent. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip center mount number 855429. Before we get started, the first thing we want to mention is this does use some double-sided tape. You'll see it here and here. Now you want to peel that red covering off before you attach the mount to the dash. And that tape is designed so if you ever have to remove the mount in the future, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. Second is, make sure you install the mount to the vehicle before you attach anything to this faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. This mount is going to be attaching in the vent. It's going to go along this silver trim right here on this side, and then it's going to go where this glossy trim meets the actual vent flashing on the inside. So first, the side with the ProClip sticker is going to be on the driver's side. So we're going to seat that, and that's just going to sit right along this silver trim. So there's a channel cut into the mount here, and you want to line that up with this edge of the silver trim. Once that's in place, then we're basically just going to press this side of the mount in until it snaps into place. There we go. Now we have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video